Introducing Tecno Spark 8D 50 megapixel AI camera in Atlantic blue. It is also available in turquoise cyan color. It comes in a size of 16.5 into 7.6 into 0.9 centimeters and weighs 192 grams. This 50 megapixel AI high resolution camera comes with f1.6 large aperture. It has an 8 megapixel front camera with dual front flash. The 6.6 inches FHD display has a 91.3% screen to body ratio. This camera comes in a stylish metal design and has a Helio G35 gaming processor for robust image. It comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The 5000 mAh powerful battery comes with ultra power saving mode.